Hi students, so we start with a new chapter called direct and inverse variations. In this video, we are only going to talk about direct. In the next, we are going to cover inverse. So what is the simple meaning of direct? Direct simply means that if there are two substances, if the increase in one causes the increase in the other, if the decrease in one causes the decrease in the other, that is all direct relationship is. And we can understand with a very simple example that say there are some pencils or pens and we are talking about their cost. If there are 5 pen and the cost is say 25 rupees, if there are 10 pens and their cost is 50 rupees, it can be anything. 15 pen and the cost is say 75, or if there is a bundle of 100 pen, the cost is say 500 rupees. So what you see is that as the number of pens are increasing, the cost is also increasing. Now, what is a direct relationship? The direct relationship means that the ratio between the pen and the cost has to remain same. If the ratio is not same, it is not a direct variation. For example, in this, if you see 5 upon 25, this is same as 10 upon 50. This is same as 15 upon 75. And this is same as 100 upon 500. If you make it in the simplest form, this is nothing but 1 upon 5 in each case. Since the ratio is same, it is in direct relationship. It is a direct variation. This is all in this chapter. And this is what we are going to use to solve the sums. So let's take an example. Let's do this question. If 27 articles, 27 identical articles cost rupees 1890. So always remember that you have to make a grid, right? So I'm making a grid and then I'm doing partitions so that you can understand whether this question has a direct relationship or not. So it says articles. I'm going to write in one column articles, and in the next column I'm going to write the cost. Now 27 articles cost 1890. This is, you have to plot it. Then it is asking how many articles, which means I don't know this, so I'm assuming X can be bought for rupees 1750. Now, as I just explained here, that the relationship, the ratio has to be same. What is has to be same? The ratio has to be same in both. So what am I going to write? 27 upon 1890. This is same as X upon 1750. Now we have to find X. Very simple equation. What we do is cross multiplication. So X will be equal to 1750 into 27 upon 1890. That's it. Now it's easy. 1 0 gone, another 0 gone. 27, 7s are 189. And so this comes to 25. What? 25 is what? 25 articles. This is how we solve the questions. In every question, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to make a table. I'm going to plot the things given, and then I am going to use the direct property, which is making their ratios same. So let's do one more example. A train is moving with uniform speed of 120 kilometer per hour. The first part says, how far will it travel in 36 minutes? So let's do this. First, let's make a table, and let me make the grids. Now, I'm going to put the two variables. What are the two variables? One is time, and the second one is distance. In the first case, it says that a train is moving with uniform speed of 120 kilometer per hour. So time is 60 minutes. I have to convert into minutes because the question asked is in minutes. The question given has a variable in minutes. So in 60 minutes, the train travels 120 kilometers. How far will it travel in 36 minutes? So 36 is given. It is asking how far will it travel, which means the distance. I don't know. I am assuming it as x. Now the rule is very simple. The ratio has to be same for the direct variation. And so I'm going to write 60 upon 120 is equal to 36 upon x. Now this is very simple cross multiplication, which means that x is equal to 36 into 120 upon 60. And this means 62s are 120, and this is going to be 72. 72 watt. Don't forget to write the unit, which is 72 kilometer. It is as simple as that. So what is x? How far will it travel in 36 minutes? 72 kilometers. Let's do the second part. Again, most important is I am going to make the grid, and it will not take much time because this will make the question look very, very simple. Okay. So what are the two variables? It says that in how much time will it cover 210 kilometers? So my initial statement will remain the same, that I'll say time and distance. What is the time? 60 minutes. And the distance traveled is 120 kilometers. Now it's asking how much time. So I don't know this. So I am assuming x. Will it cover 210 kilometers? So if they are in direct variation, the rule is that the ratio should be same, which means that 60 upon 120 is equal to x upon 210. So cross multiply, x is equal to 60 into 210 upon 120, right? Can we solve this? So 60 2s are 120. So this is 105 what minutes. So the time taken to travel 210 kilometers is 105 minutes, and this is the final answer. I hope you have understood the concept. The only thing what you have to remember is that the ratio between the objects, the articles, or the variables has to be same. And then it is simple, cross multiply and find the answer. I hope you liked it. See you in the next one.